Batisi TV, Lawan Rashipi Daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Arox 155, Ringkat Bakanet Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakir Dobying Jompi.
Ka Fairland CA Sangma, ka balong ka MLA bala resign jo National People's Party, bat ka bala peniso menta bat ka Bharatiya Janata Party, kala kam baka jingpet no jongka na ka National People's Party, ka babat yu lakam sensyar ka jela, kalong Namarba kini ka party, kam shim la Kheiñ Briew Satyaya ka. Ha ka jingkren bat kila pathai ko bor shisngi hadian bala peniso bat ka BJP ha New Delhi, ka Fairland CA Sangma, kala ong bakam don jingmut Satya ban yaine apo ka party kabale bom saliai ka constituency bakami khmat watla kala jupen sngo ya ki jing e jong ka constituency nakapor shakapor.
Being the ruling party but NPP party MLA, we have been sidelined in many ways. We have been, even in our own constituencies, we have no say, and literally we were kind of driven out. But nevertheless, we gracefully follow, we gracefully accept whatever our leaders are taking, a kind of decision. And it is open to everyone that it is a predetermined plan by the party against us. So it is quite meaningless to hang on to the party, but till the end we have been so patient, we have waited for the term to come to an end, and it is time for us to move on. It is not an overnight decision, but it is a long drawn, conscious move, so that we can also move on. As we are all already a committed leaders, we are a committed representative of our respective constituencies. So we have our own responsibilities to move on. That is the reason we have to look for a better and bigger platform to serve and deliver the people of our respective constituencies in particular, and the people of the state in general in a much better way. He has made it very clear that they have already decided, filling somebody else in our place. So there is no room for us. So when there is no room in our brother's house, we have to go and look for a room in our father's house. I don't think it is late. In fact, we have taken the decision in the right time.
Yes.
Because, that's why I have made it, I'm making it very categorical that this is a very, very conscious move. I have to decide with my people. I cannot take decision on my own because I have been voted by my people. So I have to go and explain to my people also about my decision. See, I can only speak on behalf of, in respect of my own constituency only. See, many a times there are occasions where my voices were not heard, my decision was not honored, and I have suffered, a lot of pain and humiliation, but I have taken it in a very positive stride so that I can move on. But I think the time has come, the time has been right, where I have to look for a better platform. See, we are not going to go against anybody particularly. We will focus to our own field, we will focus to our own agendas. We are not, vindictive, or we are going all out against anybody.
Yes. We are only for BJP, Narendra.
Yes, we are for BJP, we are for Modi ji, and we will
for development.
Development.
Yes.